Ponds are meant to be vibrant centers of life full of plants, fishes, and wildlife, but today many ponds are polluted, murky, and lifeless. Traditional cleaning methods are costly, need frequent repetition, and often disturb the natural ecosystem. So with this, we've built a solution, VitaLotus, inspired by lotus, which stays pure even in muddy waters. VitaLotus naturally clean ponds, removing toxins and impurities. It restores clear, sparkling water, revives plant and animal life, and brings back the beauty and balance of ecosystem. Device features 5 petals, each meticulously coated with graphene. This graphene layer ensures enhanced sunlight absorption, driving efficient energy use throughout the purification process, while also aiding in the breakdown of contaminants. At the heart of the Lotus sits a high-tech central hub equipped with sensors for monitoring key water quality parameters such as pH, turbidity, and temperature. Okay, so now let's move on to the practical demonstration of our model created and tested in SolidWorks. See, the outer structure here resembles a lotus, not just for aesthetics but also for functional inspiration. So now we'll show you the working mechanism of this machine. So here the polluted water enters through the system called suction pump installed at the bottom part of the lotus. The pump pulls floating waste like plastic, leaves and other debris. The waste gets collected in a bucket-like structure attached below the flower. The filtered water then flows upward through the stem where a mini water motor is installed. This pump pushes the clean water through the central funnel, creating a fountain like water jet, improving water circulation and oxygen in the pond. Now, with this, we have also integrated multiple sensors and an AI core. So, the components are Raspberry Pi, which is the brain of our system, which is attached at the tip of the petal. It processes the data from all sensors and controls motor movement, image processing, and decision making. Then pH sensors, which is also attached below the funnel, it monitors the water quality by measuring pH levels. Camera module, which will capture the real-time images and video of the pond surface. Then ultrasonic sensors, which will be used for obstacle detection and avoidance, ensuring smooth navigation without hitting pond walls, plants, or animals. Then there will be a DC motor which will drive the movement of cleaner across the pond's surface, enables forward, backward, and directional movement covering a wide area efficiently. Then there will be a servo motor or a rhino motor which will be used for rotational control like adjusting the direction of suction or camera angle. Then there will be a rechargeable battery which will provide power to the entire system. So in this way, we've roughly designed the model or prototype. Hello everyone, welcome to our project demonstration video, VitaLotus. VitaLotus is an AI-powered water quality monitoring and prediction system. It uses artificial intelligence, IoT, and predictive analytics to perfectly monitor the water quality and give prediction according to it. So, this is the basic user login page or user authentication page of our app, which says VitaLotus. And here you can sign in with Google or enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, you can create an account by giving your email, creating your password, and after creating an account, you'll basically get an verification code on your mail, which code you have to enter. So after entering the verification code, your account will be created, and here you have to again enter your email and password, and you have to sign in to the app. When you log in, you are directed to the My Profile page of the app, which has personal information where you can give your full name, email address, phone number, occupation. As for occupation, it could be anything, a student, professional, teacher, anything. Then location and water source. For location and water source, let's say we select a region for Delhi NCR, as I've selected it. You can select Mumbai Central, Bangalore Tech Park, Chennai Coastal, Pune Smart City, anything. City could be New Delhi, any city. Water source type. Under water source type, it could be a groundwater, municipal supply, tank, lake, borewell, river, any water supply. Household size is the number of people in your staying in your house. It could be any number. As for theme preferences, I prefer dark mode theme, so I've selected the dark mode theme. You can choose light mode, auto mode, any mode can be selected, and save changes. After saving changes, we are directed to the dashboard of the app. So now, as you are directed to the dashboard of the app, it says water quality dashboard for Delhi NCR real time monitoring. There is an auto refresh option, that is, the data is being continuously refreshed after every time. Then you can see sensors are on active mode, then AI status is online. These are the pH sensors, turbidity sensors, data readings. For pH, it is 7.8, for turbidity, it is 4.2, temperature, it is 22, dissolved oxygen, it is 6.2. So all these ranges are in within the safe range. So these sensor data readings continuously change and they update as and when the data are modified. Then there are on the left hand sidebar, you can see sensors are on active mode and AI is in online mode. Then real time monitoring option is also there, live parameter tracking for pH, turbidity, TDS, temperature, dissolved oxygen. So all these live monitoring is being done for 20 readings and updates every 10 seconds. Then this is an active alert options, where which I'll be explaining later. Then let's move on to the AI insights, generating insights. This will help us to generate insights. Then it could be assessment, then concerns detected, like while the water quality is good, the turbidity level is on higher scale. So these are the concerns detected, and the immediate actions to be taken on these concerns detected are also given in the AI insights. Then there are long term improvements and all. Now, in the environmental factors, the season is winter, ambient temperature is 18, humidity is 55, rainfall is 0 as it's a winter season. Now, let's move on to the prediction stage. Here, prediction, water quality prediction, you can make it for 24 hours, 48 hours, or even a week. Let's go on for 24 hours. Expected water quality says 70, prediction accuracy is 1, and the prediction is done for 16. Now here prediction visualization is also being done, where you can visualize the historical values and all. Risk factors are also being listed down, recommendations are listed down. Then let's check it for 1 week, generate predictions. After generating predictions, you'll get it for a week. Let's say expected water quality here is 70, which is also good. Then prediction accuracy is there, and prediction date has been changed to 7 days later. Then prediction visualization, and your risk factors have been changed to urban runoff, industrial discharge, over extraction of groundwater and all. Recommendations are also changed. So in this way, let's move on to the alert section. In the alert management, monitor and manage water quality alerts, as we have new alert 1, turbidity approaching threshold. So according to the filters, you can also monitor the alerts that are being sent to your app, to the app. So as of now, there is a turbidity approaching threshold alert, which is on a medium to low scale. So we have to click acknowledge and it will be acknowledged. So this filters can be checked. Then regional view, regional comparison, compare the water quality across different regions. Like average score is 83. For Bangalore region, it is 92. Delhi NCR needs attention. Then this is regional health scores. For Bangalore, it is 92. Pune, it is. Then health score for each and every region is being given. Classification distribution, you can say excellent 40% and good 60% is being given here. Then there is a list of all regions such as Bangalore Tech Park. We have detected for Boreville population 18 lakhs, and the pH readings are given and health score is 92. Pune Smart City, it is 88 for municipal. Then Mumbai, it is 85 health score. For municipal population is 25 lakhs, and pH readings have also been given here. Then for Chennai coastal, it is 78. So in this way, and for Delhi NCR it is 72, which needs an attention. So in this way, the classification regional comparison for the app is being done. Now moving on to the profile, and again in the left side bar you can see AI status is online, then active sensors are active, that they are continuously monitoring the sensor data readings, and theme is like you can choose any theme you want according to your app. Then in the dashboard it says the quality for Delhi NCR is 72, which is kind of good. And again, view all alerts, you can acknowledge the alerts here, and the alerts have been acknowledged and it will be listed down in the acknowledged filter section. So according to the filters you can see what are alerts have been provided. So in this way, log out and the app is being done.